This is a good dropshipping product. This winner solves a problem. This dropshipping winning product can make many people shout out wow. You can sell this winner all the year. This dropshipping winner is perfect for the dog niche. Anyone could need this, so the market to sell this to is large. This winner has a high perceived value, so it's a good dropshipping product to make high profits. This dropshipping bestseller is having 1.5k comments and 5.8k shares on Facebook. I suggest you sell this in dropshipping at $19.97 for an expected profit of $10.97. But you will make money online dropshipping only if you really test the products we suggested, so please don't procrastinate. Start making money online dropshipping this today. I suggest you test these Facebook interests: dogs, dog training, dog toy, puppy, puppy love. These are good Facebook interests to test.